I've been known with my family and friends as someone who buys way too many sneakers. I don't consider myself a sneakerhead, but I can appreciate a good sneaker when I see one. So this video is all about my new sneaker to my collection, Balenciaga Speed Trainers 2.0. Balenciaga is a well-known luxury brand that also makes sneakers. They are probably well known for their Triple S, which is a chunky shoe, but I really like their Speed Trainers. This is the second version of their Speed Trainers and updated their silhouette with their newly designed midsoles. Overall, I just love how the shoe fits to my feet, and even though I have wide feet, I haven't had any issues with all-day comfort. You can think of it as wearing socks all day. It breathes easily and is super light, and like I said, it almost feels like you're only wearing socks. The difficult part of the buying process for these sneakers was the sizing. It uses a European sizing, and in addition to that, I didn't know if these sneakers uses a true to fit sizing. Unfortunately, it is not. You have to buy these sneakers one size down than what you normally wear. So let's say you wear a size 10 like myself and my true to fit size is 9.5, you would have to buy the Speed Trainers in European size 42, which is a US size 9. But don't worry though, they fit perfectly. So keep that in mind when you purchase these sneakers. So are these sneakers worth the hype? Well, aside from these sneakers being from a well-known luxury brand, they're really just an expensive sneaker that, well, let's face it, they're comfortable and easy to wear. I absolutely love these sneakers, and right now they are below retail through StockX, so make sure you cop some if you want them. Let me know what your thoughts are on these sneakers. Are these a cop or a drop? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.